Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you've been testing the One UI 8 beta on your Samsung device but now want to go back to the stable One UI 7 version, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the full rollback process, step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. Important warning. Before we begin, here's a quick warning. Rolling back from a beta to a stable version will erase all your data, so make sure to back up your photos, apps, and settings. You can use Samsung Smart Switch or Google Backup to save your data safely. Part 2. Requirements. To roll back from One UI 8 beta to One UI 7, here's what you'll need. A Windows PC or laptop, USB cable, latest Odin tool, the One UI 7 stable firmware for your device, Samsung USB drivers. Part 3. Download needed files. First, download the stable One UI 7 firmware. Go to sammobile.com or free a tool to find the exact firmware for your phone model. Next, download the latest Odin tool and Samsung USB drivers from trusted sources. Part 4. Put device in download mode. Turn off your Samsung device. Now press and hold volume down plus Bixby plus power or volume down plus volume up plus USB cable, depending on your model, to enter download mode. Once you see the warning screen, press volume up to continue. Part 5. Flash One UI 7 with Odin. Open Odin on your PC. Connect your phone via USB. You should see a blue box under IDCOM. Now, load the firmware files into Odin, BL, bootloader, AP, system, CP, modem, CSC. Use CSC, not home CSC, to wipe the device. Make sure auto reboot and F.reset time are checked. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully rolled back from One UI 8 beta to One UI 7 stable. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if you want a video on how to join the beta again later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.